question number 4 is, what is the most difficult part of being an entrepreneur? This is a very good question, and everyone needs to see it and to keep it in the back of his mind and pay attention to it. The most difficult part is your mindset. You can expect for 1,000%. You don't need to go to a fortune teller to tell you this. You can just simply believe me, and of course those of you who are entrepreneurs for a certain amount of time know exactly what I'm talking about. There is a certain energy inside of you that will make everything it can to alienate you from your clients, from your mentors, and to make you fail. At certain point in time, this energy will turn you into a cranky, hysterical person who will see enemies in every corner. And this person is not you. This is the energy at play. The energy that tries to sabotage your best projects. Every one of us has it in them, in us. So staying motivated, pushing through, taking action despite of how you may feel, and keeping your emotions in check is a key to success. And if you find yourself being hysterical, it will last half an hour until people who've been supporting you get bored, because no one wants abuse. And the second part that is extremely important in the business, once you have everything in check, right? Once you know that, yes, there is an energy inside of me that tries to sabotage everything at the most unexpected times, you need to learn to collaborate with other people. You need to stay humble, to have respect for other people's creations, and you need to be open to other people, to the collaboration. So there is a thing with the collaborations which I hear a lot, is that you need to motivate other people for collaboration. But the thing is, when you start out, it's not like you motivate people into collaboration. I mean, you can stand there on the middle in your city and scream and motivate people to collaborate, but people, they collaborate with you based on reciprocity. So you need to help other people in order for them to be willing to help you. You need to dig your well before you're thirsty. So you may have the most wonderful product, but it is nothing without the support of other people. And it may as well be that other people do not like your product at all. Same as you do not like products of other people, but this is not the point. The point is to see how the creators, how can you develop relationships with other creators that are like-minded with you. They have maybe different product, but this product fits into your values, and you have to learn to support those people in order to get support back. And of course you will need to motivate them as well, but it's actually less about motivation. It is more about supporting others, and then you will be supported. I'm not the first person who made it up. This is how life works. If you do not help someone, like, how long will they stay helping you in business?